Hey everyone, this is Verious Smith, founder and creative director at Veracity. I also am an organizer of the Inland Empire WordPress Meetup Group. I'm excited to be a part of Inland Empire Startup Week. I'll be holding a 2-hour workshop there where you can learn how to put your website together without code and get insight on valuable ways to market your business on the web. This workshop is hands-on, so bring your laptop and get ready to get launched with your small business. First week of October, be there or be square.